Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a collaboration video. It's the It's All About You open collaboration, hosted by my sweet friends Angela's Hangout and Rolanda B. I hope you enjoy. The rules were really simple. Just share what you like to do when relaxing and pampering yourself. Here I start with my ensuite bathroom. Guys, I absolutely love to have my bathrooms in my home sparkling clean. I come in once a week and I really go over this ensuite bathroom because after all, this is really where you do pamper yourself. Guys, I like to start by wiping down everything with this beautiful Ajax spray and wipe. It has this citrus-like smell to it and it's so inviting when you walk into the room. I then clean down all the shower screens and inside the shower, and this leaves a lovely scented touch to it as well. And off camera I also washed all the floors and I used bleach in the floors because personally guys, I absolutely love the smell of bleach when you walk into a bathroom. Once everything was nice and fresh and clean, I added this beautiful decorative round bling mirror and these TK Maxx fake flowers and this gorgeous candle, and in the front I have the little bling dispenser. And I love nothing more than adding fresh warm towels from my dryer and adding them to my ensuite. Guys, even though I'm actually not quite relaxing here and I'm actually doing housework, I truly enjoy doing this with my ensuite and my bathrooms because at the end of the day, when you're about to take a shower, this is really the place where you're actually going to pamper yourself. And guys, for me, there's nothing more relaxing than walking into my ensuite where it smells fresh and clean and I step out of the shower and I step into my fluffy white bathrobe. So here I've added a new pink rug, which is from Kmart, as well as little pink ottoman and my favourite perfumes and a fresh new towel. And I really love how the candle really gives that cozy spa-like atmosphere. There's nothing more rewarding, guys, than coming into a fresh, clean bathroom. After all, this is a space that we do pamper ourselves, and I like to be surrounded by such a clean environment. Another favourite pastime of mine is I love to go running. Most mornings I try to get my joggers on and go for a 5k run. Now I don't run all the way, it'll be a walk, run, but I swear guys, it really makes me happy. It gets those endorphins happening and I take on the day in a whole new light. Another way that I like to look after myself, guys, is by drinking green tea. I discovered this tea about 4 years ago, and I swear, guys, it has this beautiful effect on me. If I've had a bit of a stressful day and I'm extremely tired, I wind down with some green tea, and it relaxes me so much. Because I'm a bling girl after all, I take my sweet Fantara from my Tea Blings Tea Bling clip and I add it to my little tea bag so I can have a little glam cup of tea. There are so many benefits in drinking this green tea. It stabilises your cholesterol levels and lowers your blood sugar. And it also helps with weight loss. I love nothing more than winding down, sitting on my recliner with my fluffy little pom-pom slippers and sipping on my cute little blinged out tea. I also like to have my nails done. I go to a nail artist here in town and I have acrylic nails and I usually have infills once every 3 weeks. One of my all-time favourite pastimes is doing DIYs. DIYs make me so happy, guys, when I create things that I've been thinking about and I bring them to life. I truly love putting my mind to items and creating them, taking old items and giving them complete makeovers. This is my favourite pastime. Another favourite pastime of mine, guys, is shopping. Now, I don't think there's any girl I know that doesn't enjoy strolling through a shopping centre alone and picking out things that catch your eye. Guys, because I'm such a savvy shopper, I love nothing more than finding things on clearance and on sale. Nothing makes you so happy that you can come home with a number of goods and they didn't break the bank. As most of you are aware, I absolutely love TK Maxx. This would be my favourite store by far to walk through and see all the pretty items and see what they've got next. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. A big shout out goes to my dear friend Angela from Angela's Hangout, as well as Rolanda B. I'll leave a link to their channels down below, and you might want to take a look at the wonderful playlist that they've put together of other YouTubers like myself who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.